During the open house, you can find out about our upcoming yoga teacher training course beginning on September 18, 2020. This course is intended for people who want to become teachers and also people who are looking to deepen their own personal practice and dive into the ancient teachings and practices of yoga. Throughout the training, we will experience a variety of physical exercises and breath work, which will modify our bodies into a state of greater health and vitality, while increasing our mental focus and capacity as we gain more awareness and peace. One of the most beautiful aspects of yoga to me is that I have been able to utilize the practices that I learned in my own teacher training course that I took, as well as my personal studies for pretty much all of life's challenges that I have had, from anxiety and stress, fatigue, insomnia, restlessness, to stomach ailments, indigestion, constipation, to pain in the joints and the muscles. Time and time again, I have pulled out my yoga toolbox and found practices in there that I could utilize easily and simply to bring myself into a state of peace and homeostasis once again. It seems as though no matter what life hands to me, I'm always able to go back to yoga and the teachings and figure out a way, if it's either through asanas or pranayama, through different hand gestures called mudras, through meditation, focusing on the breath, yoga nidra, body scans, and going deeply into the inner workings of the body. Every single aspect of yoga has led me into a state of ease and rest, which I did not have before. For me, yoga has never let me down, and that's what led me to teaching yoga teacher training courses. I wanted to take all of the information that I had researched and studied and experienced and share it with others so that everybody can see that we have this amazing, amazing vehicle, this body vehicle that we have been given to have on this earth to experience this life, and that the yogic practices can really help us be able to have easeful lives, just be able to progress and to ascend and to succeed and to release fear and the uncertainty of all, to be able to set goals and strive for them, to balance our body, mind, and soul, bring us into harmony with ourselves. Our teacher training course begins on September 18th, 2020. It is 12 weekends long, so you have all the week to do what you need to do with your life, and then on the weekends, you come with us and have a beautiful experience learning the ancient practices and technology of yoga. This is a very personal boutique experience. We only have enough space for 11 students so that we can really give personal, individualized attention and care, making sure that the practices are taught in a safe and effective way. Please join us. Happy to see you. Follow us on Instagram and on the YouTube here to keep continuing following and finding out more information on yoga. Om Om. Namaste.